In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Lusha account. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to go to where it says sign up in the top right and click on it. And then from here, you'll have to put in some of your personal information and your contact details. So for example, you have to enter in either your work email. You could go ahead and continue with Google or continue with Office 365 in case you do have work emails, okay? So go ahead and type it in. I'm going to continue with that. So you can just type in, I'm going to type in a random email over here because I do have an account already with my main email. And then here you have to put in your first name. So I'm just going to do test. And then here we're going to do test as well. You'll have to put in your phone number and select your country over here. I'm just going to type something random. And then here you'll have to add the password. So just go ahead and create your password. These are the requirements for the password you must meet in order to be able to continue. And then just click on get started and your account will be created and you'll be able to start using Lusha. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.